Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. After installing Windows 11, 10 things you can do and you must do is in this video I will show you 10 things you should do after installing Windows 11. First step is enable the end task. Normally when we right click on the any app, so only the option is highlighted is close windows, and we have to go to this task manager and we need to find that app and we need to end the task. But there is an option to enable this enable end task option in Windows 11. Just right click and you should able to get the end task that option if that is hanging or not working. So let's enable that. Just go to start menu, go to settings and just click on again system option and scroll down, look for the this option, advanced options, this option, and end task is here. You just need to enable it, and once you enable it, what it does is it highlight the option to end the task rather than just closing this. And you can see it has just closed from background as well. So this is the first feature you should enable. Now let's move on to the next feature is disable startup apps. Startup apps, when you launch your Windows or restart your Windows, those application runs automatically without your permission. Open the task manager again, go to startup apps and disable all the apps. I have already done that since I installed the Windows way back. So if these enabled, you just need to right click and disable all the apps here. You just need to leave this enabled. This is for security reasons only, and rest of the apps you can disable it. So this is the second number settings. Now third is increase your virtual memory. This is very useful to enhance the Windows performance. You just need to open the run command here. You can also press Windows plus R and type here sysdm.cpl, sysdm.cpl, hit OK and go to advanced, then go to this option settings. Now here is the advanced options also. Now you can choose the virtual memory to change, and now this kind of window you should able to get. You need to untick this. Choose your another drive. This should not be the C drive. This should be the another drive where the window is not installed. Now click on system manage file size, not this option, custom size we need to create. Now open your system information and you need to give into 1.5. So let's say you have physical memory of 16 GB or 8 GB. I will show you how to calculate it. Just open the calculator and multiply 1024 with your physical memory. Let's say you have 8, so you need to create 8, then 8192 into 1.5. This value you need to enter here, and both the section you need to enter this value here if you have 8 GB of memory, but I have 16 GB. I need to do 1024 into 16, 1024, let me clear it, into 16 into 1.5. Now this will be the result 14576. You need to copy this and simply paste it. Remove this dash and put the value here. Accordingly, you need to multiply by 1.5. I hope you understand that. Just click on set, click on OK, and click on OK, and click on apply, click on OK. and click on OK again, and we will restart our Windows at the end. So restart later we can check, but you must restart your Windows. Now the fourth number setting is power settings. So this increase of virtual memory will enhance your system performance and will help your physical memory to run the programs faster than the normal memory you have, since we have created the virtual memory. So basically it will boost your system performance basically. Now the power settings, just type here edit power plan, open the edit power plan option, go to power options, and if you are using your laptop then balance is recommended, but if you are using the PC, choose the best performance. Change power plan and set turn off windows according to your need. Put computer to sleep. I have selected 30 minutes. Otherwise you can select never here. Then click on change power settings, and here you need to choose processor power management, minimum state, and on battery you can choose 90, and maximum power state should be 100% on battery and plugged in. So this is the power setting you need to create. Just click on apply, then click on OK and close this. So this is the fourth number setting you should enable after installing Windows 11. Now next thing is check for update. After installing Windows, you need to make sure that your window is up to date. Just you need to check for update, and if any pending updates, you have to restart and update your Windows. This will help all the drivers and operating system to run smoothly on Windows 11 and will help you to secure your PC and enhance the performance. Disable privacy settings. This is a sensitive setting. If you don't want to disclose your data to the Microsoft, we have the options for that. Again, click on the system settings, then click on privacy settings, and once you see privacy setting, just click on general, and you can disable let all the content, you can disable all of, like this. Show me suggested content in settings app. Suggested content is like any apps is suggesting something, news and all, you can disable it. That is up to you. Let apps show me the personalized ads by using my advertising ID. So that is up to you. It's recommended to disable it. Location and other things you can also disable. So this setting you must disable. Now let's close this and move on to the next setting now. Enable clipboard history. This is also important to work faster on your computer. When you don't enable it, when you press Window and B button, it will not help you to copy and paste the data here since it is not enabled. So you can turn it on. How to enable it? You just click on turn on, or you can go here, then settings, then click on this option and scroll down and look for the option clipboard, and clipboard history you should enable it. Once you enable it, press Window and B button and see it will save the older history and directly paste here. So it will directly help you to enhance your performance and while doing any work. So this is the step number 7th. Now move on to the step number 8th is change your default browser. This is also important. If you don't want to use your this browser, the Edge browser, so you can make your Google Chrome or any other browser is default. Just search default apps, choose the app which you want to make it as default. Let's say Firefox, you want to make it enable, just click on set as default. I have already enabled the Google Chrome as default browser, so that is up to you. You can choose set as default here. So this is the setting you should enable. Now ninth number setting is configure storage sense. This setting will help you to delete all the previous temp files from your computer automatically. Just click on settings, and this will also help you to enhance the system performance. Just click on system and just need to look for storage. Once you see storage here, we can schedule it. Storage sense, I have already scheduled it. Just, and now you need to select your duration here. Default is 30, so I recommend you to enable this option. Okay, and only keep this setting as 30 days. After 30 days, your system will automatically delete the prefetch and temp files from your computer and will boost the system in performance, and also free up the C drive from your computer. Otherwise, you can manually delete these from your system. So this is the ninth number setting you should enable. Now this is very important setting, restore point. In Windows 11 by default, system restore point is enabled, but somehow if it is not enabled, you can just search here restore, and once you see, you should able to see the create restore point. And in my C drive, since the window is installed in C drive, so system restore will help you to restore your system in a working state when you face any issues. So this will help you to roll back your system to working stage. So how to enable it? Just click on configure and turn on system protection. Give at least 5 to 3% of the size to it. Then click on OK. Then click on configure. Just you need to turn on it. And you can see here it will create the system restore as well. And after that, you should able to roll back your system to the previous working state. So these are the steps, guys, you should enable on your Windows, even when you're running normally Windows or installing the fresh Windows. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.